Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and thanks for hanging out with me today. As you saw in my last video, I was in an accident, so some nails broke, and definitely my pinky with my apex. So I will be skipping that nail today and moving on to the rest. As always, using Kiara Sky's dip system, going in with my bond to already prepped nails. And in today's video, I will be encapsulating confetti glitter on my left hand. With Kiara Sky's base, I always start with 3/4 quarter of the nail and dip, and I repeat this process to the rest of the 4 fingers. I hope you all are having a wonderful summer. I hear it is really hot over there in Europe, sky records, and it is super hot here in the States as well. Please let me know in the comments below what you all have planned for the summer. My summer is going. Like I said, the plans are spontaneous, but please keep a lookout for those weekend vlogs every other Monday. And the food reviews, I am so excited. You have seen my boyfriend guest star in most of them, but I will be having special guests on some of my up-and-coming food reviews. So please stay tuned for that. Those are every other Friday. And if you've missed this first set of encapsulated nails that I did, please check that video out. I'll link it down in the description below. So after 3/4 quarter of the nail, wipe that clean, and then I'm going to go where the apex is, down, and repeat that process to all 4 fingers.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never.
Alright, so I am just now building my strength with clear dip before I start encapsulating these nails. I found with my first set of encapsulated nails that it is easier to build and then go ahead and start encapsulating. Alright, so I will be using these confetti glitters that I picked up from What's Up Nails to encapsulate. So I'm going to take the base from the cuticle to the free edge. I take some of the glitters and just sprinkle them on top. I want to do just some on the side going down. And I am ready. I go ahead and dip, and you see I start the encapsulation process. So on my index finger, I'm going to try it a little bit different. I'm going to put the confetti glitters on first, then go in with my base. And I'm finding that the confetti glitter wants to stick to the base, so I'm going to use that to my advantage and just use the wand to stick it on my finger, and that actually worked a lot better. So I'm going to repeat that process to all of the fingers. I love using this brush wand to apply the confetti glitters to my nails. It is working out perfectly. I cannot wait to get more and try different colors because this encapsulation is beautiful. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So it does want to stick to the bottle, but if you just get a little toothpick and scrape that off, it won't go into your bottle, so that is fine. So now that the confetti glitters are all set into the first layer of clear powder, I am going to now sandwich that in with 2 more layers of the clear dip to all 4 fingers. It is so cool to see the confetti glitters start to sandwich in there. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I also want to try this with polygel. I have been looking for months on the kits online and I am down to 2 right now, so I'm about to purchase my first polygel kit. So please stay tuned for that because I will be trying some encapsulations with polygel. Let me know in the comments below if you all use polygel, what your favorite brand is, and if you like it. Alright, so these confetti glitters are fully encapsulated and they are smooth to touch. There's no bumps or lumps, and that's how you know that you applied enough clear layers. But for my sake, I'm going to go ahead and do 1 more clear dip. So when I go ahead and cure with the Seal Protect, I'm going to file off just that first layer of clear, not the 4 that I put on prior.
You said I was the only one. No one likes being like you. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
Alright, so now we are going to cure this with the Seal Protect, so it gives us the okay to start filing and shaping. I'm going to leave out the filing and shaping, but if you do want to see how I file and shape, there is a video that I have and it's the natural manicure. Please go check that out. After filing and shaping, you will want to put on your second and last Seal Protect, and that fully cures the dip powder system and it gives you the ready and okay to go in with your top coat. So I take this cosmetic sponge and push that Seal Protect in just a bit more and let that dry, and here's what the nails look like. Perfect and ready for the top coat. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And this is what the nails look like after the top coat. They are completely done, and if I wanted to stop here I could, but I'm going to go ahead and mess around with some gels and kind of milky way the color onto the nail with my new gel brush from Uber Chic. So I'm just going to take some colors and randomly place them on spots of the nail, and then I'm going to blend them all in together and give get it like a little Milky Way over the confetti glitter. Alright, so now we are ready for my Kiara Sky's No Wipe top coat, and after that this manicure is done. Please let me know what you guys thought of this confetti glitter encapsulation. I love to hear from you guys. Alright, so here are the final results on everything, the clear top coat and the confetti glitter encapsulation. I love how the gel is just milking all over the glitter. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'm loving this thumb. I went ahead and off camera fixed my pinky as well as my ring finger, so now I have a complete set. It was bugging me to death not having those two fingers done, so now all of my fingers are done. Let me know what you guys think of my pinky and the ring finger. I'm loving it. I'm so happy you guys are with me. I do appreciate everybody. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Have a safe weekend. Bye.